topic for the video is air and water. Basic needs, important resources, uses of air and water. Air is all around us. Living things need air to live. Air is a mixture of gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, nitrogen, etc. are the gases present in air. Air has water vapors. Air occupies space. Air also has a weight. Moving air is called wind. Gentle moving air is called a breeze. Strong and moving wind with high speed is called a storm. Wind has force. Moving air dries up things faster. Clean air. We should breathe clean air. Dirty air. Dirty air makes us ill. Smoke, dirt, etc. pollute air. How to help to clean air? We should not use vehicles which cause smoke. We should walk or use bicycle or metro for short distances. We should not burn garbage. We should reduce the use of factories. We should not burn but bury dry leaves and twigs, etc. in the soil. We should grow more trees. Trees help the air to clean. Uses of air. Human beings and animals breathe air to live. Plants use air to make food. Air helps birds and kites to fly. Air helps to dry wet clothes. Air helps to move or sail boats and yachts on water. Air is filled in tubes of tires of bicycles and other vehicles. Air is used for inflating balls and balloons. Air moves the blade of windmills. Air is the need of all living things. Air is needed for paragliding and sailing. Water. Water is important for all living things. Human beings and animals drink water to live, while plants use water to make their own food. We use water for drinking, cooking, cleaning, washing, watering plants, firefighting, etc. Sources of water. Most of the earth is covered with water. Ocean or sea water is salty or saline. We cannot use salty water. We use fresh water for drinking and other uses. We get fresh water from rain, rivers, streams, ponds, and lakes. We get groundwater from wells and tube wells. The rainwater, which seeps down into the earth and is stored under the ground, is called the groundwater. Water cycle and rain. The sun heats up the water bodies. The water of water bodies is changed into water vapor. Water vapor rises up into the air. Water vapor collects and forms tiny water drops. Tiny or small water drops collect to form the clouds. Clouds float in the sky. When the clouds become big and heavy, the water falls down in the form of water drops as rain. The rainwater fills the ponds, lakes, rivers, and other water bodies. Storage of water. We need water for drinking, cooking, washing, etc. We use fresh and clean water for our use. At home, we use pots, buckets, overhead tanks, etc. In cities, we store water in big water tanks made above the ground. The city people get water from these tanks. Dams and other water resources are constructed to store water. Water pollution. We use clean water for our needs. Water is a natural resource which should not be polluted. Polluted water is dirty water. The addition of mixing of dirt, germs, dust, garbage, dead organisms in water makes water dirty. It is called water pollution. Dead plants and animals, etc., are the natural pollutants. Human activities like washing clothes, bathing animals, dumping and drainage of homes and factories causes water pollution. We should not use dirty or polluted water for drinking or other purposes. Polluted water makes us ill. Many stomach diseases are caused by drinking or using polluted water. How to make dirty water clean? We should filter the water. We should use clean and thin cloth to filter water. The filtered water should be boiled before drinking. We boil water to kill the germs. Boiling water kills the germs. Boiling water is safe for drinking. How to save and keep the water clean? Water is important for all living beings. We should not waste water. We should take water according to our requirements. We should close the taps after use. We should check leakage of water from tanks, pipes and taps. We should not leave water running while brushing or bathing. We should save water through rain conservations. We should use water for watering plants. We should not throw garbage in water bodies. Rainwater conservations. We collect the rainwater in tanks made on the roofs of houses and buildings. The water collected in the tanks is conserved rainwater. We can use rainwater after filter and boiling. That is all about the topic air and water. Thank you.